College is the perfect place for pranks. What's waiting for you in your classroom? Watch funny girls versus boys college pranks in our new video. June can't survive a day without coffee. So let's make a latte rain for her. Tommy is distracting the latte lover, and Alex is poking holes in the cap with his sharp compass. Done! Thanks for your help, June. You're welcome. Oh no! My coffee! It's all over me! You did this! The blue-eyed girl and Cindy decided to prank Tommy. Let's style his locker. It looks way better with a braid. Oh no! This is a disaster! Blue-eyed girl, your braid! I didn't mean to! While Tommy was sleeping, his stuff got stuck to the desk. What's wrong with my notebook? Come on, stop hugging the desk. Come here, I'm talking to you. Come on, almost there. It's useless. The notebook and the desk are together forever. Tommy, why aren't you writing? What happened to your notebook? Is that another prank on the teacher? I'm giving you an F. What a bad day. Hang on, what's that? Super glue in the blue-eyed girl's bag? So she's responsible for my sticky disaster. Hey, Tommy, hang on. Whoops. Well, Cindy, wait, I'm coming for you. Cindy, let's leave a prank for the boys. This is my personal cushion that makes a special sound, but I'll improve the formula and pour perfume in it. Done! Uh-oh! Whoa! What is this divine smell? Tommy, can you smell vanilla? It smells like paradise! Alex gives everyone some samples. Go ahead, you won't regret it. Take this, Professor. This is my signature scent called Alex. How unique. This fragrance deserves the highest grade. Alex has a new idea for his vlog. Hi guys, today I won't come to class alone. I'll come with my little friends. Let's go! Hey Cindy, a worm wants to meet you. Why are you screaming? June, look who's here. Mr. Cosine, you have a new student. And you have an F on your forehead, Alex. A boring lunchbox? Alex knows how to make food fun. I present my new iPhone with milk. Glue a little plastic container into an iPhone box. Put in a folded napkin. Close the lid. Alex pours milk right into the box. That's brave! Siri made cornflakes with milk for him. Yeah, stick it to the man. Good job! He's crazy! He could have just eaten a regular apple. No more boring workouts. Let's fly! I can show you the world! Was that Aladdin? These French fries are weird. Is that a new necklace in a Happy Meal? String French fries onto a thread. Put the fries back into the box. Look, where's this potato necklace going? Come on, almost there. These fries lead me. scary clown! Oh no! Anything but Pennywise! Meg, don't forget about ketchup. You can't have fries without ketchup. You want to have the cheapest lunch possible? Then put a bug in your friend's plate. Oh no! This is disgusting! Awesome! Now there's a free space next to her food. A rubber centipede is my best friend when it comes to getting a free lunch. Look, seconds. Maybe some pizza? All right, maybe next time. Alex has a great lunch prank. How about I turn headphones into nice mushrooms? Shape light clay into mushrooms. Press in a hollow with a modeling tool. Connect the round cap with the stem. Make 2 mushrooms. Let them harden. Color the hardened headphones with acrylic paint to make them look just like mushrooms. And here are some people. I quickly dip mushrooms in my noodles. How are you, Alex? Great! I'm interested in a new kind of music. I listen to the food I eat. Today, I'll be listening to mushrooms. Alex, are you serious? You are going crazy. Now talk to the noodles. Speaking of noodles, let's listen to the music that DJ Noodles is playing. I always keep it with me. Make a big square pocket from felt. Glue blocks of instant noodles to both sides. Attach a felt loop to the noodles. Put a music player in the pocket. The boys are listening to music from instant noodles. They are beyond help. Cindy, let's go! Breakfast time! And prank time! The students came up with a perfect combo. One of them complains about being in pain. Ouch! It hurts! And the other one swaps the eggs in the carton. Mix food coloring to get a dark green shade. Fill a syringe with it. And inject the coloring into the eggs. It's better now, thanks! What was that? Whatever, let's go back to my egg. Ew! What is this disgusting green thing? How old are these eggs? I'm not eating that! Great! We'll eat this tasty green egg instead! Ew! How can you do that? Is Sean sleeping? Great! I'll take care that nobody will disturb him. Have some rest, Sean. I'll cover you up so you won't get cold. Who's here? It's Sean Post-it Man. Who did it? My roommate shouldn't have thrown his stuff all over the room. This has gone way too far. Oh no! Time to get up! I'll get dressed quickly. What's that? A garland made out of my clothes? Who did this? My roommate made a necklace from my stuff? Well, thanks a lot. So, how do I get dressed now? I need to think outside the box. Even a fishing line won't keep me from learning. Fine, I got the message. I'll clean up a little. Did you like our pranks? Then comment below which one you'd copy when you go to college. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new funny pranks from Troom.